by John Schweibacher. More columns. After losing 2 of 3 to the National League East champion Washington Nationals, the New York Mets continued their final homestand of 2017 with a doubleheader split versus the Atlanta Braves Monday. Travis d'Arnaud homered and drove in 2 runs in the Mets' 32 win in the nightcap after Tomas Nido, making his first major league start in the opener, knocked in both Mets runs in a 92 loss. Travis d'Arnaud of the Mets hits an RBI double in the 3rd inning against the Atlanta Braves during the second game of a doubleheader at Citi Field on September 25, 2017. Photo by Rich Schultz. Getty Images. Mets catchers now have a combined 26 home runs and 86 runs batted in. Only 5 other teams in the majors have gotten both more homers and RBIs from their catchers this season: Astros, 30 HR, 97 RBIs; Cubs, 29 HR, 101 RBIs; Yankees, 29 HR, 98 RBIs; Braves, 29 HR, 95 RBIs; Royals, 28 HR, 93 RBIs. On Sunday afternoon, despite striking out 11 batters in 6 innings, Jacob deGrom and the Mets lost to Max Scherzer and the Nationals, 32, in the rubber game of their 3-game series. It was the 7th time in club history the Mets lost a game to the Nationals Expos franchise in which the starting pitcher struck out at least 11 batters. The other times were October 3, 2015 was 2 at NIM0, Matt Harvey, 11 strikeouts; April 11, 1992 MTL 9 at NIM2, David Cone, 11 June 4, 1990 MTL 5 at NIM3, David Cone, 12 June 22, 1984 MTL 2 at NIM1, Dwight Gooden, 11 August 4, 1975 MTL 4 at NIM3, Randy Tate, 13 May 11, 1970 MTL 3 at NIM0, Tom Seaver, 12 more. Report: Alderson expected to return to Mets, but Collins' fate unclear. On Saturday night, the Nationals beat the Mets, 43, in 10 innings. Matt Harvey made his first career relief appearance after 99 starts, taking the mound in the top of the 2nd inning after Noah Syndergaard started the game in his first outing since April 30. 5 pitchers in club history have made more than 100 career starts for the Mets without ever appearing in a game as a reliever. Al Leader, 213 Tom Glavine, 164 Steve Trachsel, 160 Johan Santana, 109 Jacob deGrom, 106 Daniel Murphy continued to torment his former team, blasting a go-ahead solo homer in the 10th inning to give Washington the lead. Murphy has batted .386 with 9 home runs and 35 RBIs in 38 games versus the Mets since joining the Nationals. On Friday night, the Mets rallied to beat the Nationals, 76, at Citi Field in the opener of their 3-game series. Travis d'Arnaud hit a pair of home runs in the win, a solo shot in the 2nd inning, and a 3-run homer in the 5th. It was the 2nd career multi-homer game, both coming this season, for d'Arnaud, who also homered twice on April 28 against the Nationals. According to the Elias Sports Bureau, the only other Mets catchers with 2 multi-homer games against the same team in the same season were Gary Carter in 1985 versus the Padres and Todd Hundley in 1997 against the Reds. On Wednesday afternoon, Miami completed a 3-game sweep of the Mets, 92, at Marlins Park. Marcell Ozuna went 3 for 4 in the win, giving him 30 hits against the Mets this season. Ozuna is the 10th Mets opponent to have at least 30 hits against them in a single season. D. Gordon Mia, 35, 2015 Curt Flood STL, 32, 1963 Andre Dawson MTL, 31, 1979 Juan Pierre Florida, 31, 2004 Roberto Clement Pitt, 31, 1965 Vada Pinson, 31, 1965 Maury Willis Ladd, 31, 1962 Daniel Murphy was, 31, 2016 Freddie Freeman Atla, 30, 2016 Marcell Ozuna Mia, 30, 2017 Last Tuesday night, the Mets dropped the middle game of the 3-game series in Miami, blowing a 41th inning lead and losing 54 in 10 innings. Jose Reyes went 4 for 5 with a home run in the loss, and now has 26 games with 4 or more hits as a Met, the most in franchise history. The list of Mets with at least 10 4-hit games: Jose Reyes 200,311, 2016 present, 26 David Wright 2004 present, 20 Daniel Murphy 200,815, 13 Mookie Wilson 198,089, 12 Kevin McReynolds 198,791, 1994, 12 Ejardo Alfonso 19,952,002, 12 Mike Piazza 19,982,005, 11 Tommy Agee 196,872, 10 Keith Hernandez 198,389, 10 Happy Recap Homer Happy D'Arnaud's home run in the win over the Braves on Monday night was the Mets' 219th of the season, setting a club record. 9 miles of rough road 90. The Mets' loss in the opener of Monday's doubleheader was their 90th of the season. It's the 20th time in club history the Mets have lost at least 90 games. 2017 CBS Broadcasting Incorporated. All rights reserved. Powered by WordPress.com VIP.